Cats are known for their distinctive vocalizations, particularly the familiar and often endearing sound of a meow. This sound has become emblematic of feline communication with humans. However, not all cats meow, or at least not audibly or frequently. Some cats are notably quiet, preferring body language, eye contact, or silent presence to vocal expression. This absence or rarity of meowing may puzzle or even concern some cat owners, especially if they are used to more vocal pets. But the reasons behind a cat's silence are nuanced and rooted in biology, personality, socialization, and sometimes even breed-specific traits. To understand why some cats never meow, it's helpful to first recognize that meowing is primarily a human-directed behavior. Wild or feral cats rarely meow to one another in adulthood. Kittens meow to their mothers to signal hunger or discomfort, but this vocal behavior usually fades as they grow up and learn other feline-specific ways to communicate, such as scent marking, tail posture, hissing, growling, and body positioning. In the domestic setting, however, cats retain or redevelop the habit of meowing as a means of communicating with humans. It is, in essence, a behavior that evolved or persisted specifically in the context of human-feline interaction. Given this, one possible reason a cat does not meow is that it simply does not feel the need to do so. If a cat has found other, more effective ways to get its needs met, such as standing near the food bowl, tapping its owner with a paw, or using eye contact, it might not rely on vocal cues at all. These cats are often described as independent or aloof, but in reality, they may just be less inclined to use vocalizations when they feel confident that their other behaviors are well understood. Personality also plays a significant role. Just as humans vary in how much they talk, cats vary in their vocal tendencies. Some cats are naturally more expressive and communicative, while others are quieter by disposition. These individual personality differences can be influenced by early life experiences, genetics, and the degree of socialization they received during the critical periods of kitten development. A kitten that was not regularly handled or spoken to during its formative weeks might grow into a cat that doesn't feel particularly inclined to use vocalizations as a communication tool. The environment in which a cat lives can also shape its vocal behavior. Cats raised in quiet households with calm routines may be less likely to meow because there is little external stimulation requiring their response. Similarly, if the humans in the household don't typically speak to the cat or respond vocally to its behavior, the cat may not develop the habit of meowing. Communication is, after all, a two-way street, and animals, like humans, tend to reinforce behaviors that receive consistent responses. Breed is another factor that can influence how vocal a cat is. Certain breeds are renowned for being chatty. Siamese, Oriental Shorthairs, and Bengals, for example, are famous for their frequent and often loud vocalizations. In contrast, breeds like the Russian Blue, British Shorthair, and Ragdoll tend to be much quieter. These breed-related tendencies are not absolute, but they do indicate that some cats are simply predisposed, through genetics, to be less vocal than others. In some cases, a cat's apparent silence is not due to a lack of vocalization but rather to the nature of its voice. Some cats have extremely soft meows that are difficult to hear, especially if they don't open their mouths fully when they vocalize. These are sometimes called silent meows, where the cat performs the behavior of meowing, mouth opens, facial muscles shift, but no sound is audible to human ears. The cat may still be trying to communicate, it's just that the message is being delivered at a volume or frequency that may not be easily detected. It's also possible that a cat's lack of meowing is influenced by health factors, though this is less common. A cat that once meowed frequently but suddenly becomes quiet should be evaluated by a veterinarian, as changes in vocal behavior can indicate problems such as laryngeal paralysis, upper respiratory infections, neurological issues, or even trauma to the throat area. However, In cases where the cat has always been silent and displays no signs of illness, the silence is almost certainly benign and simply part of the cat's individual behavioral makeup. Interestingly, some very quiet cats become more vocal over time, especially if their environment or routines change. A cat that moves to a new home, loses a companion, or begins to bond more closely with a new human may gradually begin to meow more often. In these cases, the cat's vocal behavior may reflect emotional adjustment or the development of a closer social bond. Likewise, elderly cats can sometimes become more vocal due to age-related changes in cognition or sensory processing. But when a cat has always been silent and remains healthy, there is usually no reason to be concerned. For cat owners, living with a silent or near-silent feline can be a different kind of companionship, one that relies less on sound and more on visual and tactile communication. These cats may be just as affectionate, curious, and engaged as their more vocal counterparts, but they express themselves through subtler means. Understanding and appreciating this form of communication can deepen the bond between human and cat, encouraging attentiveness to body language, gaze, and behavior. Some cats never meow, or meow very rarely, for a combination of reasons that include personality, socialization, breed tendencies, communication style, and individual preference. For these cats, silence is not a sign of deficiency or detachment, but simply a reflection of who they are. They have chosen different ways to interact with the world and with the people they trust. Far from being mysterious or cold, these quiet cats invite a different kind of listening, one that goes beyond sound and into the subtleties of feline expression.